Court will come to order. All rise.
Good morning. My name is Frank Porter. I'm the Chief Judge for the 20th Judicial Circuit here in Southwest Florida.
Circuit Court in and for Lee County is now in session.
Well, in my current job as the Chief Judge, one of my roles is to make sure that we have the proper amount of judges in each county to cover the caseloads in each of those 5 counties. Also, I do the administrative aspect, working with our trial court administrator. Good morning, my name's Frank Porter. I'm the judge that'll be presiding over the trial today. I like my job. I see it as something that really serves our citizens. I was appointed to the bench the end of 2001. I started January of 2002, so 22 years. The first part of the trial is called voir dire examination. It's a question and answer session touching on your qualifications to serve as jurors in this particular case. I went to the public schools here in Lee County, and after graduating from high school, I applied to what was then Edison Community College, now Florida Southwestern, and I received my associate's degree there, which was really a godsend having Edison available to do that back then. It was the only show in town back when I graduated from high school in 1979. It was very small. My recollection was there were 2 main buildings and a gym. They just built the Fine Arts building, I believe they had. So there were like 3 buildings and the gym. Actually got my AA in about a year and a half. I went straight through the summers and got that before I went on to university to get my bachelor's degree. Then from there to law school, I went to Cumberland School of Law, which is in Birmingham, Alabama. I always wanted to come back to Fort Myers. Fort Myers is my home. I was born and raised here. My mother was born and raised here as well. So this is home. My advice is to get a well-rounded college education. You can start that at FSW. You can get those core requirements done here. FSW is good for our community. It also opens doors for people because you're still within the community. You can do internships, you can get jobs in your field that you're studying, which may open doors when you're done with your education, so you have a job. We go to school so we get a good job, and I think FSW provides that for our community. FSW has been around since the early 60s, I believe. So 60 years worth of community ties to the school, to the college, has helped. The employers here, they know what they're getting. They know that FSW provides a good education. But it was just having that personal touch that was given there at the school, because the teachers, they knew us, they looked out for us, and I would bet you they still do that to this day.